Hi guys, welcome to this new video. So in this video, I'll be showing you three wise alternatives for UK companies. So if you are incorporated in the UK, stick until the end. You're gonna like this thing. And it's specially made for those living in developing countries where the options are limited. So let's get into it. If you are new to the channel, I'm Adil and I cover how to make money online and also how to get paid. Recently, Wise, that was number one option, have been like shutting down a lot of accounts. So this is why I had a lot of requests on Instagram, people asking me. So I decided to make this and share with you three alternative options. One more thing, I'll have something really cool for you at the end of the video. So stick, especially like if you're struggling with payment processing. So this is definitely for you. So stick with us till the end and let's get into it. All right, so our first one is AirWallex. AirWallex is like a very solid borderless account. I have a lot of clients using it. They don't have a lot of issues with it. Like it's quite similar to TransferWise. They offer almost similar stuff. Like you have the account in various currencies, something that also Wise offer. And if you check, like they have beyond around 2 million, 1.5 million visitors per month. So this is not like some shitty company. And they are used in China, because even in China, there's a lot of struggle with payment processing when they try to sell abroad with all the restrictions and stuff. So, and this one is all good. And if you check, they also offer multi-currency cards. So you can have the card, not only like just the physical card, but you can also create digital ones for your team. And this is like a big one, especially for those running ads and stuff beyond like just the client. You can use it for your ad spend, for example. And they said it's actually they say that like this is a company run by Chinese but based in Australia, and they're like they have also in Hong Kong, Europe, UK, and US offices. So like they operate quite globally. They also offer the link, like payment link, and this is a massive plus, especially for those of you who are using it. So this is the way to go. Okay, so the countries that they support. So if you check in here, like they only accept if you don't see your country in a business is registered in on our list, then unfortunately we won't be able. So this is like the only countries that they are able to serve. And if you check, like they serve United Kingdom and the US. So if you have a UK LTD, this is the way. And by the way, if you don't have one, I recommend you to go with my partners, First Formation. Like they are the best one within the UK, and they offer like some insane discounts for my audience. So you can go with non-resident package and you get like 20% off. And this is like my first recommendation because it got everything that you need, like the VAT and all the other cool stuff. Otherwise, you can also go with the professional package that is also with a big discount. You will find the link below the video, and you can create your company and go ahead. So let's check the other one. The other one is Monzo. Like this is one of my favorite. This is like almost the credit card, debit card that I'm using in my day to day. And they have business and personal account. And if you check, like it's a massive one, and it is used in India, Mexico, Bulgaria. I have a lot of clients using them and it's going all smooth. Support is very helpful. So this is a good alternative, but like your account's gonna be only in British pound. So like this is the only downside. So you are limited to the British pound, but we are talking about solutions for the UK LTD. And before moving to the third one, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel and hit that like button, and also make sure to share the video around, because a lot of people are struggling with the with Wise being like as the only option. It's always good to have like plan B, C, and D. And this one is Payset. This one I've been recommending it to my clients since last year, and I have many clients in various countries using it without any issue. They are quite new, and not a lot of people are talking about this one. This is like the kind of hidden gems. And if you check them on Trustpilot, like they have 4.6, like they're quite excellent. They're doing a good job. Very little bad reviews, because these guys are quite good. So definitely worth checking. Right, guys. So as I said in the beginning of the video, I have something really cool for you. So I am running a flash sale for payment processing secrets. So you get it for 60% off. And I had a lot of demand for like making something more advanced. So here we go with payment processing secrets advanced, and like the launch offer is gonna be like 50% off. So, and as you might check, like the comments are crazy about payment processing, because like it solves a massive headache either for incorporation or all this kind of stuff. And this is payment processing secrets advanced. So there is only 10 slots available for both, and so you get it for half price, and you get everything in PPS plus high risk payment processors plus Wise UK and US alternatives, more than 20 alternatives, IPTV payment processors, crypto friendly banking, and like the best part, you get direct access for 6 months. So whenever you feel like stuck with something, you can reach out, and I'll be more than happy to help on Skype. So like you focus on the business and I focus on the payment thing that I do like 24/7. And you get also 2 consulting calls. So whenever you feel like you really need my insights, either for the taxes or for scaling the business, and like you want to scale the operation or anything, I'll be around to help. And the last bonus is you get our internal list of 150 payment processors for all the industries, like e-commerce, dropshipping. This is like massive. This is priceless. And you get like all the integrations, the business that they support, everything. So you're gonna find the link below this video and take action, because slots are extremely limited. And the other thing, like if you liked this video, make sure to check this other one.